Talks are extending, stocks are rallying, crypto is starting to move, and the US is getting closer to clear crypto rules. So is this just a pump or a start of something bigger? Let's break it down. So first, let's take a look at what's happening on the news side. So the US and Iran could meet in Pakistan for peace talk next week. So this means they might meet again next week in Pakistan for another round of talk. They are saying things are actually progressing, like there is a chance of a deal. So here it says the US and Iran will likely return to Pakistan next week for a second round of peace negotiation. Now look at this, and this is the crazy part. The S&P 500 just hit the all-time high, around 7,000. Like during all of this, that's not normal. And even crazier, look at that. The S&P 500 officially hits a new record high, now up 11% since the March 30th low. That's 6 trillion in market cap in 12 trading days. That's insane. Now let's check the crypto. And straight away you can see Bitcoin is up 4.5%. It was much higher. Everything is coming down now. But yesterday and earlier this morning it was much higher. We had like ETH was at 12%, now it's at 7.5. So we had much higher reading for 7 past days. Now it's coming down. So we had Solana at 1.7. We had Hyperliquid at 13%, and it was 26%, I believe. And yeah, look at that. So we have some green in the crypto market. So there is some moves here and there, but that's not proper movement. So clearly the money is coming back in, but slowly. So, and this is where people get it wrong. Just because price is going up, it doesn't mean we are fully strong yet. So let's check properly. Let's check the sentiment. I'm gonna start with the fear and greed. So for the fear and greed, we are at 55, and that's neutral, which tells you something important. People are still unsure. But this is a very big progress compared to a few months ago where we had the extreme fear of crazy numbers. Now let's look at the structures. We have the market cap at $2.54 trillion. And let's go and check something else. Let's check the alt season. So for the alt season, we are at 35 out of 100. So we're not quite there yet, as you can see. It's still early, or at least there is not a full momentum yet. Let's zoom out a little bit here though for the top 100 coins performance over the last 90 days. Rough. Look at that. Insane. That's insane. A lot of coins are still down, and massively down, if you can see. So a lot of people are still in a loss. Most people didn't buy the bottom. They bought higher. So even now. So from most of the altcoins that are in the green, Hyperliquid, not many coins in the green, but so the altcoin market is still recovering. It's not there yet. Most of the altcoins are still in big loss. And here we're talking about only the 90 days. So if we go to the last year, it's even bigger of a red here. So now here where it connects, because crypto doesn't move alone. Let's have a look at the stocks. As we mentioned earlier, we have a big rally in the S&P 500. And that what tells me is that the money is coming back. And when that's happening, crypto usually follows. It lags, but it follows after. Now we have a bigger story. Look at this. This part is actually big. I'm on this article and basically what this is saying is Clarity Act's breakthrough. White House advice signals final hurdles are toppling fast. So the long-awaited regulatory clarity for crypto and banking is edging closer to reality. And this is huge, and that's what basically means is that the US is getting closer to finally clear crypto regulation. There's this thing called the Clarity Act, and it's moving fast now. So the bigger issue was stablecoin, but now they are solving it. So no easy passive yield, but still reward if you actually use it. So banks are less worried, and crypto still has room to grow. And this is the key. For the first time, rules are becoming clear and institutions can finally move properly. Big money can come in with confidence. So now we've got liquidity. So we've got market movement and finally clarity. So yeah, when you put all this together, this is where it gets interesting. But I'm curious, what do you guys think? Is this just a quick pump or do you think we actually continue bullish from here? Let me know in the comment below. I'm really curious about what you think. There's something else I want to share with you here first, and it's this: Fed nominee Walsh filing details vast wealth far exceeding past shares. And he says here, Kevin Walsh is worth at least 135 million according to newly released financial disclosure forms. And this is actually really interesting because this filing just came out and he got serious money, like way more than we've seen before with the previous Fed chair. And when you look deeper, he's not just sitting in cash, he's in markets, he's in crypto, he's in tech, he understands assets. So yes. Now let's finish with the Bitcoin rainbow chart. It's simple but powerful, and this is the forgotten chart. I didn't see anyone talking about it lately because they brought it up only when we are here and when it's too late, when it's in the yellow, orange or red zone, and that's too late. So the best time to share this chart is when we are here at the purple, at the blue, at the dead zone, as it says here. And so if we see previous cycles, so people who bought here and all market went all the way up, they got massively rewarded, and that was every single cycle. So we are in the accumulation phase according to this chart. Well, the same kind of opportunity again from previous cycles. Anyway, that's it for today. It was a quick update, simple and clear. If you found this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Join our Telegram community and follow us on X. We are active there. Thanks for watching. My name is Lamia and I'll see you in the next one.